Hey Airsofters, this is Scott Slade-Hollenbeck from USAirsoft bringing you another great gameplay footage. This is Team Deathmatch. Very simple, very easy. Everyone knows how Team Deathmatch works. If you like this gameplay, like it, share it, and subscribe today. Enjoy!
Well, that wasn't even at me. Can we move up? Go for it. I'll spot them. Get the left side. What's the boundaries?
Last life, going for the mad rush because I can't see a thing. Here we go. All right, we got 1, 2. Hit.
That wasn't. He's done.
Or not.
I think I got one.
That could have been the same.
I didn't even get hit.
Got him.
Oh.
I see you.
Laying down.
See you too.
No, you don't.
I love you. Last match, dude. Thank you, Cap. Guys, aim behind the wall. Press. Full press. Shit. Oklahoma! Oklahoma! Oh, that's the camera guy. Yes, camera guy. He's pressing.
Safety go.
Okay.
I was out of ammo, dude. I was about to. I had. How many rounds did I have?
Got one.
How do you like doing that?
Safety kill. I can hit
That
you.
ain't 20 feet.
I know I hit you.
Yeah, you got me.
I know, I see him. I got getting down this path right here.
Any government. DMR's trying to take us out while the others are...
Safety kill!
Oh!
Plus, if I'm gonna commit suicide, I gotta do it in my style.
Safety kill!
Damn.
He's dead! That's game!
Is it really?
Yep.
There's somebody in the brush.
You like that video? Hope you did. What if you did? Then like now. What if you're not subscribed? Then subscribe now, funny men and or women, and get all the other videos that we upload. And guys, always remember, when you're not on the field, keep them chambers empty.